Hi, Ellen Gormley here, and welcome to my channel. Theo is creeping in here to the video. Anyway, I was working on this Tunisian project, and I'm going to make a little video for you on how to make this stitch. But first, I realized as I was fastening off or return passing on this final row that I was return passing differently than I wanted to. And so I made a mistake. And I thought, since I'm ripping it out, I could show you how I'm going to fix it. So I had been doing the traditional return pass. Theo's grabbing my yarn. I was doing the traditional return pass like this, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook. But then I realized that I stopped paying attention, and for this pattern I was doing a different return pass. So I need to undo this return pass. So what I'm going to do is take my Tunisian hook. This is actually a double-ended hook because I grabbed it because it was convenient. And I'm going to slide it back through the loops. So I'm just going to slide the hook all the way through under that vertical bar where the return pass was chaining. Do you see what I'm saying? So let's see if I can bring it closer for you. I'm just sliding this through each bar across. It's kind of like unknitting if you're a knitter. So I'm not twisting the loops at all, and I need to put it down because Theo's grabbing my yarn and I want to make sure that I'm getting every loop. Hey, Theo buddy. Okay, so I'm going to just basically put the loops back on my hook is what I'm doing. And I'm taking care to only grab the front loop, like it just snagged and got the back loop too. So I'm getting just the front loop. And then for this last one, right there. So now I have all the loops back on my hook. I don't think I dropped any. I don't think I missed any. And so now that I have them all safely, securely on my hook, I can rip out the chains. So, oh, you know what? I missed that last one. Hold on. So that one I made while I was demonstrating. So you can see more mistakes. Okay, so let me grab, I'm going to undo these and let them be loose, because I have one that I accidentally pulled all the way through. So these are the loops from the previous row, and now I'm probably totally confusing you, so this is probably not helpful at all. I need to drop this last loop. Okay. And then I need to put all of these back on my hook. And because this is, I think this yarn has some acrylic in it, but this is a great yarn. Look how nicely these loops are just standing there, ready for me to put them back on the hook. They're not even disappearing or sliding off. Although if Theo grabs my yarn, he might pull them out. But I don't have a hand free at the moment, so he will just have a treat. Okay. So now that I have all of the loops on my hook, you can see where I can just pull this chain right out. That's the return pass chain that I am just freeing from that row. So I didn't even rip out a whole row, I just ripped out the return pass of the row. So now I'm back ready to do the return pass the way I had intended to. But anyway, so I had been return passing the wrong way. So I rethreaded all the loops on my hook so that I could undo what I had done and get back to where I need to be. So I hope that this video was helpful, or at least amusing. And I will make another video right now teaching you how to do the stitch. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.